This fan's just buzzing when you turn the switch on. It's not running, but it is making noise. So I'm going to turn the switch off and get in here and see what's going on. Most of these covers are just spring loaded. Just pull down on them and you can see what kind of mechanism's in there. This one's kind of typical. Just squeeze it, the two sides, and it'll come out of the slot that's up inside the box there. A lot of them are like that. So yeah, get this cover out of the way. You can get a good look at this thing, see what's going on. Yeah, that looks like Chewbacca's armpit. So we'll unplug it, loosen up these screws that hold the motor in. Most fans are similar. There's something holding the motor and that flywheel inside the box. So you'll just have to figure out which kind you have. This one's pretty old, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. I get up in there and make sure there's nothing clogging that hole up inside the box. Clean the motor, the wheel off, clean everything off real good with a brush, and then squirt some WD-40 in on that mechanism, where that pin goes into the motor. Just lube that up real good, spin it a couple times with your finger, and then give it a little test here. Plug it in, see if it works. Yeah, flying like brand new. So, yeah, it's a really old fan. It's going to need replaced at some point, but not today. So, probably save a couple $100 by just cleaning this thing. So, yeah, we'll put it back in and cleaned out the box real good as I could, and then we'll just put it back the way it came off. This one, you got to give a slight little turn there, and then tighten up the screws that hold that whole thing in place. There was a little ground wire that came off of that screw right there, so get that back on, tighten them screws, and then plug it in, get the cover back on. Just goes, spring things go right inside those slots, and then just give it a little push, and there you go. So yeah, probably like I said, eventually it'll need replaced, but not today. Who knows? We'll just wait and see how long it lasts, I guess. Okie doke. Hope that helps.